If you want to track your mood and take better care of your mental well being, your iPhone has built in tools to help you, and here's how to use them. Start by opening the Health app on your iPhone, and at the bottom of the screen, tap Browse to explore different health categories. Here, scroll down and tap on Mental Well-being. This section focuses on your mood, mindfulness, and emotional health. Next, tap on State of Mind. Here, you can log how you're feeling right now. Tap on Log, then choose your mood and tap on Next. After that, set your mood and tap on Next. Just keep following the on screen prompts and keep tapping Next. And that's all. By logging your mood regularly, the Health app starts building a picture of how your mental state changes over days, weeks, and months. You will see graphs and trends that help you spot patterns, which can be really useful for understanding what helps or hurts your mood. To make sure you stay consistent, you can set up reminders to log your mood or practice mindfulness daily or weekly. And you should also know that your mental health data is personal, so Apple makes sure everything you log is secure and private. Your information is encrypted and stored safely on your device or in iCloud if you use it, and only you can access it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.